Imagine getting money deposited to your bank account every month for recommending products and services that you use and trust. Or getting sent a product you want for free to try it out, and then spread the word. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, not to be confused with network marketing. Today's episode of the Stay at Home Nurse Podcast is a nursing side hustle and nurse entrepreneur episode where we're going to learn about affiliate marketing. You will learn what affiliate marketing is, how you can make money as an affiliate, how to become an affiliate marketer, the pros and cons of various affiliate networks, and we will throw in some examples of successful affiliate marketers for you.
Welcome to the Stay at Home Nurse Podcast. I'm your host, Deanna Cooper Gillingham. For over 25 years, I've strived to use my nurse credentials to find work that fit my lifestyle. Whether it was raising my 4 children and 3 fur babies, traveling the world, or moving to Mexico and living on the Caribbean Sea. Sometimes I succeeded, and sometimes I failed, but I always learned from the experience. Now, I want to help you by sharing what worked and what didn't work. There are so many opportunities out there for nurses today. The Stay at Home Nurse Podcast will inspire and equip you to have a nursing career that is meaningful and supports your lifestyle. Now let's get started.
Welcome to episode 39, an easy way for nurses to make money online. Today, I want to share with you an easy way to make money without trading time for dollars. You know I love working once and getting paid multiple times. Some people call it passive income. But there's really nothing passive about it. It's investing your time now and getting paid later. This means when you're doing something fun later, like going on vacation, playing with your kids, or even sleeping, you can be making money. Think of it as an investment, just like an IRA or a 401k. But instead of investing your money, you're investing your time and maybe a little bit of money. Then, at some point in the future, you will earn money over and over again. I'm an affiliate for other companies' products, and I also have affiliates for some of my products, such as my Foundations of Case Management course and my Utilization Management and MCG course. Okay, so when you heard the word affiliate marketing, you may have been thinking of network marketing. These are two totally different beasts. They both have the word marketing in there, but network marketing is where you get a network of people underneath you that also sell the product and get a network of people underneath them. And so you make money by your network. With affiliate marketing, it's a little bit different. So affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Now, what's great about this is you don't have to come up with your own product. I think every single one of my products that I have created has taken me at least a year to produce, to brainstorm, come up with the idea, produce it, and get it out to market. It has taken me a year. So a faster curve for you would be to take a product that you like, that you believe in, and then promote it to others. So that's where the marketing comes in. They are using you, the company is using you to market their product. I think the best way to explain this is to describe a few people that I know that are doing this and successful with it. I have a friend, Angela. She has a blog and a newsletter devoted to fun things to do with your kids on a budget in the area that she lives in. Things like going to the zoo, events that are happening in the area, local theme parks, especially if they have discount ticket days, parks, national parks, and she's also an Amazon affiliate. We'll talk about that a little bit later. So what she does is she has a newsletter that she sends out on a regular basis, and she talks about some fun things that will be going on that you can do with your children. Now in there, she also has links for affiliate products. So the event may be giving her a affiliate commission for every person that buys a ticket to that event using her link. Also, the Amazon affiliate, let's say that she's going to be promoting Boo at the Zoo, a Halloween party at the zoo. And she may have a article in there then talking about some interesting costumes, maybe some animal themed costumes. And then she may have a link in there where you can go to Amazon and order these costumes. See where I'm getting? Okay, then somebody goes to Amazon, purchases that costume, and she gets an affiliate commission off of it. Also, Christmas time is great for her. All the Black Friday sales and all the sales, she will scour them and create a newsletter and where she has all of the great deals that are going on for that day at the various retailers such as Target, Kohl's, you get the idea. So she'll promote their products that are on sale, and those links will be affiliate links where she will earn a commission. Now this is really a win-win for everybody. So for busy moms that don't have time to find all the greatest deals out there, she has gone out, she has spent her time searching them and finding the very best. So all the person that is using these links has to do is open her newsletter and click on the ones that they're interested in. She's already done all of the research. It's a win for Amazon or Kohl's or Target or whoever because they are getting somebody who may not have had time to go out and research and may not have bought a product to buy the product based on her recommendation. And it's a win for her because she gets reimbursed for all the time and effort that she has put in by earning an affiliate commission. Now, she has been doing this for several years, so she has built up quite a following in her newsletter and her blog, but she earns well over 6 figures a year doing this part-time. And actually, she feels a little bit guilty because of the little time that she has to spend doing it and the great money that she earns. But there is nothing to feel guilty about with affiliate marketing. You are just helping people to connect, people who have a product or service and the people who need that product and service. And for the time that you spend connecting these people, you should be reimbursed. The great thing also is it doesn't cost the end customer anything extra. And in fact, sometimes it can even be cheaper for the end customer because they will actually get a discount or a coupon code that can be used just with that affiliate. This makes it actually cheaper for that customer to buy it going through the affiliate link than it would otherwise. We do this with our utilization management and our foundations of case management courses, where we give the affiliate a coupon code that they can give to their people, which will save 10% off. And then in addition, I think it's 10%, it might be 20%, I don't even remember. And then in addition, the person that is recommending it, the affiliate, they also get a percentage. So it's a percentage off for the customer. It's a win for them, and it's a percentage for the affiliate. So it's a win for them, and it's a win for us because it's a customer that we may not have otherwise gotten. And the win for the company is that it's cheaper advertising than going out and putting an ad on a commercial or sending out flyers and things like that. Also, because people trust people that they know. So people trust people that they've been listening to, that they follow their blogs, that they follow their newsletters. And so they trust that when they recommend a certain product or service, that it's a good product or service. Now, that comes with a responsibility. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you have to make sure that you actually test out and trust the people that you are affiliated with. Another affiliate marketer that I would like to mention is Pat Flynn. I actually learned a lot from Pat Flynn and listening to his podcast. And he makes most of his money from affiliate marketing, or at least he did at one time before he started creating his own products and courses. In fact, he now has a course on how to become an affiliate marketer. I have never taken this one, but I have taken some of his other courses and I've been very happy with them. Okay, so he considers himself the crash test dummy for internet marketing. So he tests different things that are out there, and then he makes a recommendation. So for somebody who wanted to start a website and start a blog, he has recommended host that he uses and a recommended email provider that he uses. And when somebody clicks his link and starts using them, he gets a commission every month from that. He is making multi-6 figures a year just off of his affiliate marketing. And I'm not sure if he's still doing it, but at one time he was actually having his income reports on his website every month so that you could see exactly how much money he got from each of his different affiliates. There are nurses making money already as affiliate marketers. One in particular that I know of is the Nerdy Nurse, and she is making money as an affiliate, and she also teaches other nurses how to do that. So I know a lot of times when we think about making money online, we get kind of like, oh, this is just a scam, this wouldn't really work. But I want to let you know that it really is true. You can make money as an affiliate promoting other people's products. You don't even have to have a product or service of your own. So what do you need to do to become an affiliate? You need to decide on a platform. Are you going to use a website? Are you going to use something like Facebook? Where are you going to promote these products? Is it going to be an email? You need to choose your niche. Now again, this could be nursing related or this could be non-nursing related. Think of something that you like to do. My friend, she liked to find deals and she liked to share them with her friends. And it grew and it grew and it grew. So instead of her just calling a couple friends or emailing them separately and saying, hey, I found this great deal over here, she started a newsletter. And then they started sharing it and sharing and sharing and sharing. And before you knew it, it was shared with enough people that she's making a lot of money off of her affiliate marketing. It's the same thing with you. You don't have to find something nursing, although you can find something nursing related if there's something else that you enjoy, maybe horseback riding or gardening. These are two topics that I know nothing about, but let's just say that you enjoy gardening and you help other people to garden and you let them know when certain plants are ready to be planted and where they can buy the best seeds at. Maybe those are affiliate links for seeds, and then there's tools that they might need and I don't know, fertilizer, whatever. So you could have affiliate links for these things. So you provide a service by letting them know that you've tried these things and you like them, and here's a link where they can get it themselves. So once you've decided on your niche, then you need to find affiliate programs to join. Now, there's Amazon. They're one of the largest affiliates, but they don't pay really well. They pay maybe 4%, right around there. It could be like maybe 3 to 5%. So you have to sell a lot to actually make any money on Amazon as an affiliate, especially if the products that you're an affiliate for are not real high-priced products. But there are other places that give up to 50% affiliate commissions. So you may want to look around at different places. One of the things that you can do is when you're searching on websites for things that you would use, scroll to the very, very bottom, and a lot of websites will have very small little things like contact us and little links that you can click there. Some of them will actually have affiliate program. You click on that link and it'll tell you about their affiliate program. If they don't have one, you can just do the contact us and then in the subject line put affiliate program in there and ask them if they have an affiliate program, as many websites do. Okay, the next thing you need to do is you have to create great content. Like I said, the people that I know that are successful with this create really valuable content that people are anxious to look at every week. They want to open that email because they know there's going to be great content in there, and they're happy to click on those links because they know it's saving them time. Okay, I'm going to back up a second and talk about different places that you can actually go to look at affiliates, along with going to just websites that you found that maybe you find if you buy saddles for your horses and there's a place that you love and maybe you can become an affiliate for them. But then there's other places, they're like affiliate networks. So it's a place where if a bunch of different people who have products that they want affiliates to promote all go and house them. I guess it's kind of like it's like a broker for it. So some of the bigger ones, as I said, Amazon has their own affiliate program. I believe that eBay and Walmart and Kohl's and Target, I believe they also all have affiliate programs. But then there's these affiliate networks. Some of them are ShareASale, ClickBank. These are places where you can go and you can put in a topic and then they'll show you all the different affiliates that they work with. Again, this is like a network broker of all the different affiliates that are out there. As I mentioned before, I am an affiliate for a couple different products. One of them is DataChem. So in my main business, I help case managers to pass a CCM certification. I also help nurses that want to become case managers and utilization managers. One of the things that people have been asking us for years was a CCM prep test, and it's something that I did not want to make. I had tried several times to start the project, was never able to finish it. So one day I went out there and I started searching and I found one that was already up and running, and I tried it out and I loved it, and I decided to ask them if they had an affiliate program, which they did. So instead of me going and creating something, I found something that was already created that would be of value to my population, my customers, my people, because they were already asking for it. And I am able to refer them then to this product that is already out there. And it's a win-win for everybody. The people that want the practice test get the practice test. The company gets to advertise through me, and I get a commission off of it. So this is not like earth-shattering money. In 2019, I made about a little over $4,000, and this year looks about the same. In October, so far, recording this at the end of October, I've made $368. So, I mean, it's nothing to sneeze at. It's a nice little chunk of money for just helping people to connect people that need something with people that have it. I am also an Amazon affiliate, and I will tell you that money is like maybe $10 to $20 a month, and some months there's nothing at all because the percentages is just so small there it's really hard to make decent money off of that, but some people do. Okay, my goal with this episode was just to have you think outside the box of something that you could do, possibly to bring in some extra money, a side hustle that is not nursing related, so that when you do go to work as a nurse, you are not burned out. I know I had previously had my full-time nursing job and then my side hustles were nursing jobs, and sometimes it can really be hard and it can burn you out. So if you're looking to maybe eventually have your own business, this is a way to kind of get your feet wet and see if you like it. If you're just looking for a side hustle, something to bring in a little bit of extra money instead of pulling an extra shift, this may be a way for you to do it. Again, I have written one article about DataChem software and I put it in my email, and each month I'm getting about $300 worth of commissions off of that. So again, I worked once, but every month I'm getting paid for that. And I want you to have the same thing. So if you think this is something that you're interested, look into affiliate marketing. Okay, that's a wrap for this week's episode. I hope that you have found it helpful. I want to celebrate with you. We have recently hit 10,000 downloads, so a great big thank you. I am so happy that you guys are loving the show and that you're sharing it with your friends and colleagues. I hope that you will continue to do so. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss an episode. And while you're at it, why don't you tell a friend? If you have a friend that may be interested in affiliate marketing, that is looking for a side hustle that they can do from home in their PJs, this may be the right thing for them. So do them a favor and send them this episode. Okay, that's a wrap. I look forward to seeing you again next week from beautiful Puerto Aventuras, Mexico.